We really wanted to update our laundry room. The washer and dryer didn't come with the house, and my wife really didn't like these brown tiles. Here's my initial design, but we made some changes along the way. This ceramic tile is attached to the subfloor with some kind of a thinset or glue. The tile comes off really easily, but the glue is another story. Chiseling would take way too long, and those big shovel chisels don't really work. I definitely wouldn't try to use any chemicals or solvents here. It would probably just soak into the wood and your house would smell forever. There's really only one way to get rid of this stuff, and it works awesome. Oops. This is an angle grinder with a special shroud attachment that connects to a shop vac. The blade is called a diamond cup wheel. The setup's not cheap. The shroud is like $90 and the blade is like $50. But I'm sure you could find something cheaper if you're not a DeWalt snob. And I'm telling you, there really is no other good way to do this. It took me 2 hours to get rid of all this glue. Then I went back and spackled any low spots. The blade is pretty worn down after one room, but again, it's worth it. I painted the room before picking out flooring. They make higher-end vinyl floors now, which looks good and is indestructible. You have to leave about a 1/4-inch space around the edges, so I use these dominoes as a spacer. I'll just cover this with corner rounds later. We picked up this washer and dryer set, and I bought this butcher block for that waterfall counter. These things just plug right in, super easy. The butcher block is expensive, so I measured the heck out of this. I actually placed the top on so I could measure it and mark it. The drywall was bowed in here, but not much I can do about it. We'll just put some decoration in front of this thing. Here's the light we picked out. And we went a little bigger with cabinets, putting them on both sides of the sink. At this point, we really started to notice how ugly that sink was. When we bought this replacement, it looked like it was a little crooked. So I put glue on the inside, and this clamp is holding it straight. The sink just plugs right in as long as you have the right connectors on it. The other thing I did for this room was use leftover butcher block to upgrade an old table that we had in Chicago. This will be like a rolling kind of folding table for clothes. I didn't put the doors back on this closet. Instead, I used scrap butcher block to make these shelves and make sure that they matched. And here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.